Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all diet plan for weight loss for housewives to help them lose approximately 5 kgs in 2 weeks very easily. Now recently I have lots and lots of housewives or housemakers I would say who wanted to lose their weight without any extra struggle for themselves, and hence these are the transformations who help themselves with these diet plans, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with diet plan for housewives to lose weight fast, and hence we'll start with an early morning drink. As soon as you wake up and you're ready to get on hold with your household chores, the first thing that we always have to make sure is to start our day with an early morning drink, which has to be either 1 glass of ajwain water or jeera water. This basically helps you to remove any kind of excessive water retention, bloating, swelling in the body very quickly, and also to detoxify your system in the morning itself. Second option, if you cannot have this, you can simply have Saunf water. Now what does Saunf exactly do is, housewives suffering from acidity or acid reflux or any kind of hypertension issues should definitely try out this recipe for Saunf water. Is amazing and works amazing to help you with lots of other benefits as well. So you can definitely try out having Saunf water in the morning itself, empty stomach. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for all the housewives out there. The first option for your weight loss would always be fresh fruit smoothie. Now why do I recommend always having fruit smoothies for their breakfast is, first, it is always very quick and easy to make, so you don't skip your breakfast or do not have to put some extra effort for yourselves apart from your family. The recipes for all the tasty, delicious, healthy, nutritious fresh fruit smoothies are already up on my channel, which requires very minimal time to prepare and are super yummy in each and every criteria out there. So you can try out all of these recipes one by one and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about them. Second option for breakfast for housewives would be sandwich. Super easy, super quick to make and very yummy as well. Now I have lots and lots of sandwich recipes on my channel, which is banana peanut butter sandwich or veggie club sandwich or spinach corn sandwich or even high protein paneer sandwich. So you can try out all of these recipes one by one for your breakfast and enjoy the benefits of it. If you like having a cup of tea or coffee for your breakfast, you should definitely indulge yourself into it, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind. Proceeding towards our mid-morning options for all the hard-working housewives is definitely 1 cup of either coconut water, which is definitely good for your electrolyte content to help you get your energy levels boosted up and also to help you with your anti-inflammatory benefits as well. So you can either have 1 glass of coconut water, which is freshly available in the season and not the packaged one at all, or you can even have 1 glass of lassi or chas. Now these both the things help you to relax yourself, calm yourself in the summer season or in any season out there, and also the major benefit here is that it is anti-inflammatory in nature, so that we can remain away from UTI and other inflammatory diseases as well. And now let's proceed towards our lunch options for diet plan for housewives. The first lunch option would always be whatever sabzi or curry or dal is made at your home for your family, indulge yourself into it. We are not going to make any special food or very different kind of food for yourself so that your effort is minimized but the weight loss is on the point. So the first option is you can have whatever the seasonally sabzi prepared is at your home. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of salad and curd, that is raita. Raita we'll take of ghia raita or lauki ka raita or cucumber raita or any vegetables or salads added to raita as well. So make sure to have good full bowl of sabzi, curry or dal along with that salad and curd. This will be your first option if you do not want to prepare any kind of special rotis for yourself or a special and kind of atta for yourself. Second option is, if rice is prepared at your home, you can take approximately 200 grams of cooked white rice. If any kind of rice is prepared at your home, be it red rice, black rice, brown rice, white rice, basmati rice, whatever is prepared at your home, you can take approximately 200 grams of cooked rice. Take curry along with it, be it dal or sabzi or any kind of curry, whichever is prepared at your home, and along with it a good full bowl of salad and curd definitely has to be there. Probiotics are very important for every day, so make sure to have your lunch with curd, raita, dahi and load them with salads and lauki, ghia, all of these things out there to make it more yummy. These are the two easy to go options for your lunch. And now we'll proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between lunch and dinner. If you feel hungry during this time, your best options would be to have a cup of green tea or ajwain water or jeera water or any kind of detoxifying tea, be it your cinnamon tea, be it your ajwain tea, be it your normal green tea or matcha tea. Now 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is super high and works amazing for all the housewives to kill their visceral fat, which is the belly fat area, and also to give you good metabolism boosting properties as well. So you can have either 1 cup of matcha tea. Along with that, you can have 30 grams of either roasted makhanas or 30 grams of high protein seed mix. Now why high protein seed mix? because it consists of all the essential nuts, seeds, whatever is required for your antioxidant levels to be boosted up, and for all the gut health issues and everything out there, for calcium, for macronutrients and everything out there. So you can definitely try out high protein seed mix, and along with that, cup of green tea or matcha tea as per your own preference. Proceeding towards our dinner option for diet plans for weight loss for housewife, the first dinner option would be a good full bowl of dal along with salad. Now yes, if dal is prepared at your home every single day, make sure to take out your dal in diluted form. So make sure it's diluted as a soup form. Along with that, you can have a good full bowl of salad. Always make sure your every meal consists of good amount of salad and fiber. This is one major tip for weight loss to help you boost your metabolism and also to boost your gut health as well. So make sure your dinner is along with good full bowl of salad, a dal, which is dal soup basically, and enjoy it. Second option is, if you can prepare something different for your family and which your family also loves, would be chila. So you can have either one moong dal chila or one besan chila and prepare it with adding lots and lots of vegetables into it, like for example carrot, zucchini, capsicum, bell peppers, broccoli, whatever you feel like. Get it into a very greater small form and add it to the chila batter. You can even add a layer of paneer over it, which is approximately 50 to 70 grams of paneer or tofu as per your own choice for protein intake. So you can grate that also over it and enjoy your chila with mint chutney or coconut chutney. So these are the healthy options for your dinner. And last but not the least at all would be a bedtime drink, which is very important for all the females out there because it works amazingly for yourself and also to relax your entire stress levels of the entire day, and also to promote good gut health, metabolism boosting properties, and also to help you on your mental health as well. So I am talking about having a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. Now this is very important to help you with your nervous system also and to relax the stress of your entire day. So you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea for your bedtime drink. Second option would be to have either again ajwain water or jeera water. Now why do we emphasize on ajwain and jeera water? Because it helps to remove the water retention very quickly and also to boost your metabolism as well. We have seen tremendous weight loss benefits with these teas, and also they help you with removing all the bloating from your system as well. So you can try out either chamomile tea, which is very easily available online, or you can even switch to ajwain or jeera water. But make sure to have your bedtime drink every single night. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, which is very important to detoxify yourself entire day, to boost your hydration for skin benefits as well. And thirdly, the major benefit would be to remove all the bad toxins from your body very super quickly. So you can have approximately 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. For personalized or customized diet plan for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any other doubts, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to them as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming tips and tricks, diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.